Hi, this is Casey with Hobby Homestead, and today we are going to be making dry shampoo. Now, this is a super simple recipe made with, you could either use cocoa powder, coffee, other things to make a color that you like. I'm brunette, so I use a dark one, and cornstarch. You simply need some type of shaker bottle and a funnel, mix your ingredients and pour it in. So I will show you how we do that in just a second. Okay, so here's the cocoa powder that I'm using. It's just regular unsweetened cocoa powder. And approximately a tablespoon of this. I kind of just eyeball it based on the size of my container. And I just have a little jar. It's literally like a salt and pepper shaker that I had. You could use like a Parmesan cheese container or whatever you have handy, or poke some holes in something. And then you want to grab your cornstarch, and of course you want to adjust this to whatever color you want, but 50-50, 60-40. I probably did more like a 60-40. And then go ahead and we're just going to give this a mix, a stir, and make sure that you get all of everything from around the bottom edges to, if you want to use a fork, you could use a fork to do this. And this took me quite some time to get all of the cocoa powder mixed in. So then once you have that step done, you'll want to grab your funnel. And I'm just showing you that it's just a simple salt and pepper shaker. Wiping off the residue from last time, and then grabbing my funnel. So pop that in there, and then pour in your mixture. I had to do a little bit of shaking, a little bit of tamping to get it down in there. Alright, so then once that's done, you kind of want to tap and slap on the bottom just to make sure that you get everything settling down, and then you can screw on the top. Alright, and pretty much there you have it. It literally took me minutes, and now you have your own dry shampoo to pop on your head whenever you think you need it.